So, hey everyone, welcome to this amazing channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can generate text into AI images. Just like these examples right here, where we've got an office with a view of the mountains. We've got these pair of retro headphones. This portrait of a bearded man. We've got this beautiful mask. Landscape of Switzerland, as you can see. So all this can be generated for free, and I'll show you how you can do this in this video. Alright. So no doubt, you would have heard of AI and the ability to basically generate images based on a few prompts and texts that you enter. And the tools that are out there, there's a vast variety of them, but the one I am referring to and the ones that I use to actually create those AI generated images is actually from Canva. So Canva not long ago released its AI image generator, and you can see what it's all about. And I'll show you exactly how you can access Canva's text to image generator. But let's go through some of these features and why you would use this AI image generator. To give you some ideas, here's what Canva says. You can generate an image that you can't find in its library of images and media. You can also use it to visualize a new concept or ideas to test and experiment quickly. You can also create truly one-of-the-kind images for marketing assets as well. You can brainstorm, seek inspiration, and outsource some of the early creative thinking using text prompts, and express yourself and unleash your creativity. Now, to get started and access Canva's AI text-to-image generator, just log into your Canva account. Now, you don't need a pro account in particular, you can use a free account. What you can do is create a new design and create any kind of canvas size. So in this case, I'm just gonna do kind of like a 1080 by 1080 pixel kind of square. So I've got this open. So it doesn't really matter what size just yet. It is important if you know what size you want to create in terms of the assets. Whether it's square, portrait, landscape. Where to access Canva's text to image generator is under apps, right? You need to enable it first. And you'll see it as a first option right here. Text to image. If you do not see it, simply type in text to image, and you'll see right here, this is the option. Text to image generator, and let's say we want to get a landscape photo or image of Switzerland, right? And what we can also add, and a little tip here, is the actual kind of lens, focal length, right? So let's say a 24mm, which is quite wide, and we can also say ultra realistic. So the more specific you are in terms of your prompt, the better image we get. But let's go with that. And I won't choose any styling, and I'll click on create your image. And here is the photo that it's generated. Let's click once on this one. This looks pretty cool, and I'll enlarge that so that you can see it. Now, taking a look at this, it's not the best of quality, right? You can see this kind of house in the middle, whatever it is. This is a great addition to Canva because if you look at the start of it, Canva really is a design tool. And being able to now generate texts to images, in this case, we've got moon rising of the mountains. I can now do things like draw, I can doodle on it. I can also add some text to it. So let's say I'm making like an Instagram carousel or something like that as an example, I can do that. I can also add different elements, emojis, and anything to it, just to add a bit more creativity. Also with the text to image, that just enhances that creativity even more because whatever I'm thinking, I can prompt inside the text to image generator, and then that'll generate whatever how I prompt it to. So, this is Simplify AI. And I hope you like this video, and if you want more video on latest advancement on AI around the globe, you can subscribe our channel for future updates.